Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today, because Halloween is literally days away, I am creating a pumpkin spice themed eyeshadow look. So if you want to see how I do that, just stay tuned. Alright, first I'm going to prime my lids in the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, the original one. Now I don't know if anybody else does this, but this is just how I do it. I just, with the Beauty Blender, I pat it, because this is like a formula you don't want to like drag around. Going in with It's a Party of the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. Personally, not a fan of this palette, but I got this in my BoxyCharm, and it's literally the only colorful palette that I have. Ooh, that was a glare, huh? The only palette I have that has a yellow like this and an orange, so I'm just going to be using it for these two specific colors. And you're just going to blend it. If you got hooded eyelids like I do, just do it higher than your crease, because like, see, when I open my eyes, you can actually see the yellow. This isn't, we're just going to pat color on top of this too. It's not going to be like this neon yellow eyeshadow look. I promise you it'll get better. Now that we did the yellow, I'm going to go in with the Dranks color. I'm just going to go in on top of the yellow. See the color it's creating? I really like that. Now we got that going, which is wicked intense. I am going to use one of the browns from this Crown Pro palette, another BoxyCharm favorite. Second one in at the bottom row. And I'm going to start right at my outer V. See, now the color's starting to come together, so it's not legit like neon anymore. Just want to kind of blend it with all the two other colors you did. I'm going to cut my lid. I need concealer though. Look up, and then where it transfers over to is where you want to put it. Because, say, hooded eyelid problem number freaking 8 million. This is as far as I bring it to, because you don't want to mess up that where it's like darker. I am going to get my NYX glitter glue, which is right here. Put a little bit, because this stuff does get really sticky really fast. So I just do literally like a dab. So I'm just going to go in a little bit with this third color in from the Crown Pro palette. This third color in right here. Ooh, I like it, I like it. Ooh, it's got like this iridescent to it. Ooh, I like it. Wow. I think the glitter glue just like brings everything out of it. With the It Superhero mascara that we just got in October's Boxy Charm, which I really do like. The only thing that I don't like is I feel like it doesn't take off enough of the excess mascara off the side. So now I'm just going to prime my face with the Maybelline Master Prime, and I do the blur and redness control one because, as you can see, I don't know if you can, well, you probably can because, I mean, you can't miss it. I have a lot of redness here from rosacea. It's the Tarte Park Ave Princess contour palette. The past couple years, I've only been using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. Completely changed once I got this. I swear. Contour. I use the Princess Cut because it seems to be my color. Now I got my lashes on, and that took longer than I would like to admit it did. It's been a while. I'm just going to go in with that same brown that I used to darken up the outer V, and I'm going to put that underneath my eye. Go in with some setting spray, and I use the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray, which is supposedly 16 hours. Haven't worn makeup for that long, to be honest, so I don't know if that's true. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with my fall favorite, which is another BoxyCharm item, and this is Ofra's Verona. Verona. Whatever you want her to be is what she is. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial that I did. It is my first on Halloween, which is awesome because it is my favorite time of the year. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video that I did, and let me know in the comments if you think I did a good job. This is my second makeup related video. but I'm just doing this for fun. So let me know, and this I think would be perfect if you want to go to a Halloween party and you don't want to dress up in a costume. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys come around again for more videos. Bye guys!